Hi there, welcome back to Violin Inspiration, and if you don't know me yet, my name is Julia and I'm teaching the violin on this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to play O Come Emmanuel, and I really hope you will love to play this song, and let's get started. This song is in the scale of D minor, which means we are playing low seconds in this song, and we are also playing low firsts on the A string. So this is something to take care of, and we will start with an up bow. So we will bow up towards the sky with our hand in the direction of the sky, and we will play. I just made a break after the G3 on the 10 bar. Do you notice that we are getting to a part that is very similar? We are playing as the first part of the song. So we play 2, 3 instead of D and D2 like in the beginning of the song. But then it is exactly the same as in the first 2 bars. So the first and the second bar after the upbeat. So exactly the same, so you can remember this if you ever want to learn to play the song, to play it by heart without sheet music. And then we will get again, this last part, that is also the same as in the 1, 2, 3rd bar. In the end of the 3rd bar, we will get exactly the same piece. So maybe if you want, just color the pieces on your sheet music that are the same, maybe with just red and yellow color, so you will remember the parts that are similar, and this will make it much easier to learn the song by heart. I don't have any specific other things that seem to be very important when learning this song. If you want, you could keep your 3rd finger on the string when you play, if that is easier for you, instead of releasing the 3rd finger and searching for it again. But actually I don't think there's any specific really difficult thing about this song. More, of course it is hard that the 1st finger is low, and this will probably need to practice some to switch from the 3 on the D string to the low 1st on the A string. And to practice this, just make sure to practice really slowly, and practice it so slow that you will be 100% sure that you will be able to make it. So if that means you will have to play like this, then play really slow like that. And make sure to play it in tune from the very start. It helps to just practice it in tune from the very start, also when the rhythm gets messed up. And then later you can learn the rhythm. You can first try to learn every note, and then you can learn the rhythm. So I wish you good luck learning this song, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.